Wait, put the fucking knife down, bro.
I'm Laura.
I'm Kyle.
I'm Ricky.
And what are we making today?
We're making Brazilian food.
Do you want to wash the tomato?
Oh yeah, true. Wash it.
You're not gonna
Wash it, please wash it.
I didn't even wash my hands yet.
Oh my god.
Oh, wait, Kyle, do you cook?
Okay, so first, guys, we wash
not
our
really,
hands
no.
first. So Kyle's cutting the tomatoes, and Ricky's cutting, what is he cutting? Onions, and Calvin is cutting garlic.
Huh?
Oh no, he's peeling garlic.
Huh?
No, he's peeling.
Onion.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Brazilian sweets.
What did you last make?
We're making stroganoff.
What are you doing, Laura?
Wash it.
No, that's not the order. I totally forgot. Okay, we have to add a little bit of onion.
Wait, are we gonna wash the rest of
You guys, so the next step is to saute the garlic.
Huh?
I'm just scary.
Only half.
There we go.
So I take it off, I get cold.
My whole body structure is just like there's like buildings over there, like just like the tiny black.
Oh, yeah, no,
Yeah, so you can eat mold, like it'll
What's the moral of the story?
eat mold to become tall.
Yes. Guys, wash. I'm not judging you. I'm not judging you. Goldenish. And then you add the rice. Yes.
Have you guys ever tried chicken sushi? I'm scared, Ricky. What if the handle breaks?
It's a lot of
Yeah, that's a lot of
Real style.
All of it in there?
Yes.
Okay.
Should we like call all of APO?
Just. It looks like fish. Like
It does.
Yeah, it's like fish.
okay.
Okay, stop.
Like when are we gonna have the syrup?
Yeah, maple syrup. Where's the maple syrup?
Or like just like itty.
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Okay, now we're gonna add ketchup and mustard. Oh my god, basically. Okay.
It's not coming out. Okay.
Okay.
Do a little more.
No, pour it in. Fast.
Whatsoever.
Oh my god, wait, chill.
You have to put the heavy cream now.
Heavy cream will make the sauce thicker.
No, it's gonna be like super watery.
You can reduce it.
It's because it's a lot of food. I've never made this much.
Okay, Ricky.
Oh, he doesn't stop.
Ricky.
Bro, it was good. I got a mushroom burger. We're gonna plate it now.
Yes.
Well, you said the sauce. On top?
Yeah.
Or on the side?
On top. A little bit. Yeah, that's good. That is good. Yes.
Wow.
Yay, and then I'm gonna put potatoes.
Chill.
That's good.
It's rare for me to say. It's your recipe, and I want to see how you create it.
That's good. Okay, that's actually gas. Yay! He likes it. What are your thoughts, Kyle?
It reminds me of.
Hot dog?
It reminds me of home.
Oh, Marcos, what are your thoughts?
I was a doubter. I was a doubter. The process was a little, but it's good.
Yay! I'm glad to hear that.
That sounds really
I know,
good.
but then you also put a sauce.
Everyone's doubting. Everyone doubting.
That's the end of the video.
Bye guys. Thanks for